Want to start your own online business but have no money, no experience, and no clue where to begin? Stay with me, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to start from zero, step by step, right from your laptop in Europe. We're talking about actionable steps you can take right now, today, to plant the seeds for a real business. Forget the fancy courses and the get-rich-quick schemes. This is about hustle, resourcefulness, and providing real value. Let's get after it. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're bringing to the table. What's the one thing you can do better than most people? I don't care if it's writing killer ad copy, designing websites that convert, translating languages like a boss, teaching calculus to toddlers, or organizing a sock drawer like Marie Kondo on steroids. Find that skill. And don't give me that I don't have any skills BS. Everyone's good at something, you just gotta dig deep and find it. Still feeling lost? No worries. We're living in the future, baby. Hit up ChatGPT and ask it to help you brainstorm some skills based on your interests. Or jump on Fiverr and search beginner freelance gigs to see what kind of services people are actually paying for. There's a whole world of opportunity out there, and it's just waiting for you to grab it by the horns. Listen, I get it. You're thinking, Gary, how can I have a portfolio if I've never had any clients? And to that I say, who cares? You don't need clients to create awesome work, you just need hustle. Pick 2 to 3 services you want to offer, and create some killer samples. Use free tools like Canva to design graphics, Notion to build websites, or Google Docs to write up case studies. Make that work shine. Once you've got your samples ready, it's time to show them off. Create a simple one-page website using a free platform like Card, or just share your work through a Google Drive folder. The point is to have something tangible that you can point potential clients to. Remember, you're building trust and credibility one project at a time. Look, nobody wants to be the first person to try something new. That's why you need social proof. Think about it. When you're buying something online, what's the first thing you do? You check the reviews, right? Same goes for your services. Reach out to friends, family, former colleagues, or even that nice barista who makes your latte just right. Offer them your services for free or at a discounted rate in exchange for a testimonial. Don't be shy. People are usually happy to help, especially when they get something in return. Once you've got those testimonials, plaster them all over your website, your LinkedIn profile, your grandma's refrigerator. You get the idea. Let the world know that people vouch for your skills. It's like magic, I'm telling you. All right, enough with the freebies. It's time to turn this hustle into cold, hard cash. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy marketing budget to find your first clients. Start by joining Facebook groups and Reddit forums related to your niche. Become a valuable member of those communities by offering advice, answering questions, and generally being helpful. Then, when the time is right, subtly mention your services. Another great option is Fiverr. Yes, I know, Fiverr gets a bad rap sometimes, but it's a numbers game, my friends. Apply to as many relevant gigs as you can, and make sure your proposals are personalized and stand out from the crowd. And don't forget about Upwork. Target small, simple gigs that you know you can knock out of the park. The key is to get your foot in the door and start building a reputation. Remember, one yes is all it takes to get the ball rolling. Congratulations, you've got a few clients under your belt. Now it's time to level up your game and start working smarter, not harder. That means automating and streamlining your processes as much as possible. Use Google Sheets to track your income and expenses like a boss. Let ChatGPT write your emails for you. Just give it the right prompts and watch it work its magic. Create reusable templates in Canva for social media posts, invoices, and anything else you find yourself creating over and over again. Once you've got a solid system in place, it's time to think about scaling. Increase your prices, offer monthly packages, or even hire a virtual assistant to help you manage the workload. Remember, you're not just a freelancer anymore, you're a business owner. Look at you, building a business from scratch with nothing but your laptop and a whole lot of hustle. No fancy investments, no expensive ad campaigns, just pure, unadulterated action. That's what I'm talking about. Remember, success is not a straight line. There will be bumps in the road, challenges to overcome, and moments when you want to throw in the towel. But that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Just keep pushing forward, keep learning, and never, ever give up on your dreams. And hey, if you need a little extra motivation along the way, you know where to find me. Subscribe to Founder's Edge for more real-world business ideas made for Europe and for you. Now go out there and crush it. You just got the blueprint, no excuses. This isn't about watching another video, it's about taking action. Pick a skill, build a portfolio, get social proof, find clients, automate, scale. It's that simple. The world is yours for the taking. Stop overthinking it and start doing. I'm pumped for you. For